Chainlink holder, if you miss this video, so definitely you will be completely lost. So kindly must watch this just 2-minute video. Definitely I will give you something very secret information about Chainlink. This is secret because my brother, it's a very important for all new holders. Now if you have any plan to invest in Chainlink, so must watch this video because this is very important for you, my brother. 30.14 USD dollars. This is the latest price, and 5.32% they will get a profit. So this is update, my brother. Kindly I have something special, a secret information, but please before I get started this videos, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. This current condition is very critical now because, my brother, this is possible today will go down very badly because the CEO of a Chainlink personally tweet now, my brother, and definitely my friend, especially expert says me to please make a video about this. To what can this is possible to upcoming time they will fails down 30%. This is 30% chance just in only, my friends, so they will fails down. But expert says so this is clearly show, my brothers, to 70% they will fail us down because as you can see, my brother, expert says to this time, as you can see, my friend, I just all you can see this is the last 7 days chart. I already opened it and experts already predicate this coin, but at this time, my brother, I will live predicate. As you can see, my brother, this is clear to after this short fails they will take a very huge jump now, and it's very good jump, my brother, especially in previous days. So therefore the price is very fastly increasing now, and this time as you can see here the price is come to 30 USD dollars. So it's a very huge jump now, and just in only last 7 days, my brother. But experts says too, as you can see here, they were very shocked because they will fail us down again. So as you can see here, the average come out here to equal now. The resistance line is come here, so that's equal now from our previous days. You can see here jump and absolutely the current jump now. But in the mid of this chart, as you can see, my friends, they will completely moving upward, and definitely as you can see here, just in only from August 15 to August 18, the coin is moving very good now, and definitely the holders are starting investing more and more. So absolutely they cannot do this, my friend. So please tell me what can they will moving upward? No, my brother, it's impossible to they will moving upward if they cannot starting investing. Definitely they are starting investing, so the coin is moving upward. But definitely after August 18, the coin is very badly fails down, and definitely that's the one reason to they are starting selling. And well, you know what, why they were starting selling, and they are starting selling, especially short-term investors, they are starting selling. So the coin is very badly fails down, and therefore the current price is come to 26 USD dollar. So tell me, my brothers, so just in only 2 to 3 days, my friends, they will lost now 4 USD dollar, 4 to 5 USD dollar. So if they will fails down, they will lost now 5 USD dollar just in only 2 to 3 days. So tell me, can they will give you a profit? No, my brother, it is impossible. But if you invest for a 1 month, my brother, definitely in short time, that's clear to Chainlink is not good for short time, but it's very good for long term. I will give you guarantee. As you can see, my brother, if we just only check out the last 1 month chart, so definitely I already check out, my friend. But absolutely, therefore I will clearly tell you today will give you a profit. You can see 84.70% profit. Oh my goodness, I can't expect this. This is a very huge profit, my brother. So this is very good, my friend, for a long-term investor. So it's a very good for a long-term investor. Kindly, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so this is a very good coin. Please invest now and take a risk and get a very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.